Hi! In front of me is Nokia 1.4 and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply iOS launcher on this Android. First of all, go into Play Store and click on the search bar. Now type in iOS launcher and install this completely free app from this developer. Then tap on Open. Now choose while using the app, tap on Allow, and finally click Home button. Over here, click on iOS Launcher, then choose Always, tap on Got it. And as you can see, Apple layout was applied successfully on my device. You can always though switch between your layouts by going into device settings, tapping on apps and notifications, choosing default apps after clicking Advanced. Over here and clicking on Home app. If you wish to switch to Android one, tap on Quick Step, and if you wish to go back to iOS, just select iOS. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!